Okay, let's go ahead and talk about using the command prompt to issue some good old-fashioned DOS commands. So let's open up the command prompt. You can type in CMD and start, or type in command prompt, or just choose it from the list here. So one of the first things it asks us to do is to change the current work directory to Windows. Different ways to do that. You can go ahead, if you know the directory structure really well, you can go ahead and go back to the root directory, CD /. You don't need to do this, and then from here, if you do a dir, you'll notice Windows there. You could have just done CD /Windows, which is what I was looking for. That takes you directly to the Windows folder. See? So change working directories to the Windows folder. That's how do you do that? CD /Windows. That's task 1 to do for task 8. Then it says do a directory listing of the Windows folder. So that's just dir. And then it says find out the operating system version. So that would be VER. So that's about all I'm going to go ahead and see on here. It says create a print screen of the command prompt window only. You're not going to be able to get everything in there, I don't think, because it's really quite long. I need to be able to see the very last thing that you have here. Just for the sake of discussion here, how does this ver command, I get the idea it applies to the operating systems in the past, and what it gives us is the build number. So if you go to, just to make a comparison with the interface in Windows 10, go to Settings and System and About, which is the typical way that we do find this out. You'll notice that, let me go ahead and put this on here side by side, that my build number is what I get here over the version command, but my version, according to the about thing, is the 1903. Okay, so that's a little bit different on here, but as far as what we need to do, this is all you need to do right now. Just go ahead and, as it says here, create a print screen of the command prompt window, only calling it command prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and do an alt print screen, bring it into Paint, and paste it in there, and save it as command prompt. All right, so I'm closing this, and I always go and verify that it's in there. So just verify that it's in their command prompt. And like I said, the last thing I should see on there is VER. Of course, you could search. I can see that you did the directory listing of the Windows command beforehand, because I recognize the file structure. So I know that you got there. It's not like I'm not going to know where you are. So if it doesn't look something similar to this, you're not going to get credit for this. But other than that, that's pretty much what we got here to learn about the command prompt right now. There's many more commands.